it going today? This is Master Matt, bringing to you one of my most favorite workouts, the Mace. I know a lot of you may not have a Mace at home. Excellent tool to teach me how to use my body to get my power and things like that. But I bet you do have a sledgehammer. So, what I thought we'd do today, since we got this crazy thing going on in our environment today, maybe we could all do a workout together using a sledgehammer. So here we go. And oh, by the way, I want to shout out to my good friend, Greg Walsh from Whoop Brigade. He's the one that turned me on to truly how to swing a mace about a year ago. So anyway, so the first one we're going to do is, we're going to do our front swings. Again, this is it's a pendulum. So what I'm doing when I pull this thing up, I want to kind of pull in opposite directions. I'm exaggerating that a little bit. Like so. Alright. And I would like to get it up underneath my elbows. Alright. So we want to do 20 of these. Alright. At least. Now, I'm kind of crazy. So I'm not going to do it in everything that we're doing here for this workout, but I can also change which hand's on top. And it does change things a little bit. Okay, now, if I want to add a little bit of fun to it, I can do these little touches. Okay? Alright. If we were doing a mace, a lot of maces, they are, the ones we play with are 8 kilograms, 10 kilograms, typically at our studio. Heavens knows how big they get. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to pick this up, and if I want to put it from behind me, I want to put it on my shoulder and slide it back. Now, I'm getting kind of old, so it really helps me with my alignment. Notice how my head, my shoulders, and my butt is aligned. Okay, this is what's going to kind of give me where my hinge factor is. But for this, I want to be able to feel where my swing is in the back. Okay? Boom. So from right here, and just get used to the swing. Now this isn't easy for everybody. Now, when I want to bring it around, what I'm doing is I'm bringing my hands violently to my chest. You want to keep going in one direction, you want to go in the other direction. Now, I could actually, if I want to, start aligning where my head would be. Okay? And that would be your 360 swing. Next, we're going to play with what's called 10 and 2. So, bringing my hammer, in this case, back. Finding my alignment, I want to bring it up, and I want to bring my hands to my chest where the hammer hits the 10 and 2 on a normal clock. I guess in the digital world, most of us wouldn't know what that is. Next, we're going to do what it calls a shovel technique. So, this isn't real heavy. If I was doing a heavier mace or something like that, it'd be a little more of a power. But what I want to do is I'm going to bring down, almost like I think of hockey players or whatever, getting down, and I'm going to be in my squat. And when I come up, I want to break my hips forward where I'm using this hinge movement. So when I come down, I don't want to bring it all the way down. I want to bring it up, and I like to violently force it down as I'm forcing it up. Yes. And then when you're ready, switch to the other side. Again, from here, popping it up, bringing it down. is to work for your tricep. Put your fist about even with your nose and bring your hand next to your cheek. And this is not so heavy. We can actually change. You can also, I like using this, I'm a martial artist, so I like to work with my squats and things like that. So, as I'm bringing this up into my squat, I can squat into my horse stance or whatever you want to call it. I can stir the pot and come back the other way. We can also lean it forward and feel how it works on our stomach. Okay? We can also swing, squat, lean. Bring it up, swing, squat, lean. Bring it up, swing, squat, lean. Bring it up, swing, squat, lean. Bring it up. You might want to choke up for this one a little bit. Depends on how big it goes. Bring it all the way up and bring it all the way down as you come to your squat. In. Try this at home.